Everyone, just gonna do a quick review video of this stuff. I have a couple sterling silver pieces, probably about 5 or 6, and they do tarnish over time, so I like to keep them nice and sparkly, so when I wear them, they play their part. But anyway, I'm going to use this stuff. It's pretty simple, straightforward. There's a little basin thing or a little tray inside that holds the jewelry while you dip the item in for about 10 seconds, so it doesn't take very long at all. Today I'm going to be doing this diamond cut rope chain. This is sterling silver. I mean, this chain is okay. It's not tarnished too bad. It can use a little bit more. I think there's a little bit more I can get out of it. It is diamond cut, so it should be shining pretty good. And right here, you can just tell it has some tarnish to it. Unfortunately, I don't have darker skin, or that would definitely help. But hopefully, against this fabric, you can kind of tell. But anyway, basically, we're just going to take this item and you open it up, and it doesn't really have a crazy strong smell. And I will say this before I dip the chain into this item, guys, I really don't recommend using like baking soda and vinegar and boiling hot water, different things. I had some, I didn't have any jewelry cleaner, so I went and looked online and I tried to do the vinegar, baking soda, and several other things, and they just didn't work. They got about 10 or 20%, maybe 15% of the item cleaned, and it just wasn't as good as I thought. So basically, we're just going to take this guy, and we'll just set him right here. And we'll just put the chain in there, and then we're going to drop it for about 10 seconds. So 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10, 11, and 12. And so I'm pulling the chain out now. Give it a little drop. The smell does smell a bit stronger when you're pulling it out. I'm going to dab it with some tissue paper here, just to get it right and dry. And you can already see it's shinier. I should have shown the clasp before, but yeah, I mean, this stuff definitely works. The piece looks cleaner. I don't know if you can tell against this white paper, but it definitely looks okay. So now I'm gonna bring over this polishing cloth. I want to make sure the chain is dry, because really don't want to get any of that cleaner on the cloth. So it is dry, and so there you have it. It does look shinier. You can kind of see the diamond cuts sparkling a little bit more, maybe not, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, it is shining a little bit more. So I would give this stuff a very good grade. It's pretty cheap. I got it from Walmart. I think it was like $6 to $8. So the main thing is you don't want to dip the jewelry in too long. But anyway, you don't want to use vinegar, baking soda, and things like that. I mean, you've already invested the money in a piece of jewelry. Why not go the extra mile and buy something like this? Okay, guys, so in conclusion, I would give this stuff a good grade. You can use it. Make sure you close the lid good, and you probably don't want to use it on wood. This is an old wood table, so it's fine. And yeah, but every time I turn it over, it's leaking, so it doesn't seem like the top seals very well. In conclusion, this goes without saying, guys, don't use this on gold. I mean, if you bought jewelry and you've invested money in it, or somebody's gifted you with jewelry, pay $10 or another $8 and get the proper cleaning solution for gold. It makes no sense to ruin good jewelry, damage good jewelry, or risk good jewelry on something that you were just being stupid and cheap on. So, $8 versus a couple $100 or more in a piece that you've ruined is a no-brainer. So sterling silver only. No, I did not try this on any gold jewelry that I have, nor will I ever. So that's it.